Kubor baman kesngi, awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
I am happy to learn that today we will be opening our polio booths across the district where parents can bring their children to receive the polio drops. Following this, our dedicated teams will also carry out the house-to-house visits, and as our madam has already briefed us, we will be having our mobile booths also to ensure that every child receives a drop. So, like Madam DMHO,
since we know that there is no cure regarding this immunization, so the immunization it's being it's not only through the special immunization days, but then we have immunization in the routine immunization. We have two types of vaccine: the injectable vaccine, the IPV vaccine, which is given in our state fractional IPV at 6 and 14 weeks. And then now we also have this OPV vaccine, which is given in the routine immunization. Plus, in addition to the routine immunization, we are given through the special immunization days. 0 to 5 years now. The man thought we take any age group. You want one is never one time.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesngi, subhawan subscribe ika channel unang yalam news. Kumle shibu.